Last video I showed you about the motion block, and this video is about looks. Let's see what we can do with this cat. I just change the name of it, looks. Okay, and here is my cat, and I want it in the center of the screen. So quickly I'll be taking in the center of the screen. We'll change the coordinate of x and y to 0. Now let's start. I want that this cat will be walking. So I want it to talk first. Hello. And do you have confusion? Okay. So let's see what is happening. Hello. Do you have confusion about scratch looks? So do not worry. It's so easy. Now let's see what is happening. Hello. Do you have confusion about scratch? Do not worry, it's so easy. So you can see that with this you can add some conversation if you want. Now the most interesting thing is about changing costume. Switch costume helps you to first fix with the costume. Suppose that when you are starting you want that your sprite must have that exact costume. So let me tell you about the costumes. I'm in the sprite. I'll come to the costume. See, for this cat there are two costumes. One is this one and one is this one. So if you wish you can put color for it. Let me take quickly a color and fix it. Yeah, done. Over. And for this one I'll be putting some other color. Yeah, this color. Yeah, done. Okay, so I want some other costume to add. I'll just search for it and I'll just type here. Okay, and here I'll be typing cat, and in the search box we'll search for some other. These two are there. I want this one to add. Okay, yeah, here it is, and I want for it also some other color. Now yeah, this color I'll not take. I'll be taking some other color, or maybe this color. This will be good to put it like this. Yeah, now see the fun. Three costumes this cat sprite has. Coming to the coding, and I'll just take that switch costume 2, or I can do it with this one. Now check it. It will come back to this costume because this is costume number 1. Okay, let me fix it here. See. Okay, so all the code one after another is coming. Now most interesting part is next costume. I'll just take a control of forever and fix it. Next costume inside it, and let it to wait for 1 second. Fix it here and check it what is happening. See. Okay, with this if you want that it will be moving, you can. Done. I just move this one and just put it here. Okay, so this is about the costume change. Next one I'll be showing you about switch costume. I have told you, and backdrop also works in the same way. if we have backdrop, if I have to fix, I'll be doing switch backdrop to, and next backdrop, if 3-4 backdrops you have saved, so one after another if you want, okay, in a certain time, so you can choose here. Next interesting thing is change costume, and that with that I want to change its size also, and let's see size is increasing. And change size by -10 also can be done to decrease the size. Like this is change size, okay, that has become such a small one. I've stopped it. Set size, first time when you start you want to set it with a size, so that is 100%, that also can be done. This is set size, and later on in the part of this coding you want to change the size. It is happening. Set size, fix it, whereas change size decreases or increases based on the sign you are giving for it. Next very interesting thing is, I'll just remove the size one now, change color. You see here what is happening. Yeah, there are lots of things you can do. See, can you see that colors are changing automatically, but the colors you have given, those are no more there. So keep on changing the color. So this is change color. Let me show you here from fish eyes, and now see what is happening with your sprite. Oh my god, what is happening with it? Isn't it very interesting? Now let's change this one with Will and see. Oh my god, what is happening with it? This is Will. See, what's wrong with this cat? Next, I'll be showing you Pixel, and now see. Okay, see the cat? What is happening with it? Okay, I've stopped it, and next I'll be just changing with mosaic. This one is also very interesting. See. Yeah, this part is done. Yeah, see here what is happening. Okay, so we will stop it, and if you wish you can try with this brightness also. Okay, so it is no more there on the screen, and ghost effect, just see what is happening, it will disappear from the screen. My god, it's not there on the screen. Okay, so this is something you can do. Okay, so when we use change effects, we also use with it clear effects, because if we don't have clear effects, somehow some places we need these effects and somewhere you don't need it. So where you don't need, use clear graphics effects also whenever you are using this option. Okay, so that's it, and I'll be just going for here from colors, that will be good. Next one is show and hide. Sometimes in the screen you need the sprite to show, and after sometimes you may not need it. See, disappeared. Hide will disappear. When I click, it will be coming because of show. After saying hello, it has got disappeared from the screen. So as per your need, you can add it on the screen, or you can remove it from the screen by using show and hide. And go forward is used, suppose 2 or 3 sprites are there on on which sprite or where you want it. So then you can use this one, and go to front also. If you want your sprite will be coming front, so you can use that also. So that's all about the looks. So motion is used for moving the object, whereas giving a look on how the sprite will look like, maybe shown on the screen, not shown on the screen, changing its color, or doing some other work, you can go for looks coding. So appearance related things comes under look block. You have to explore and you have to find out that how can they be used with the motion to give a lively presentation.